My beloved child, I know what you've been through. I have seen the silent tears, the quiet surrender, the moments when your heart was heavy with loss. I saw when they left, when you were betrayed, when your dreams shattered like glass beneath your feet. I was there, silent yet near, invisible yet holding your soul together. Do not think your loss has gone unnoticed. Nothing escapes my eyes. Nothing is wasted. Not a single broken piece. Not a single empty moment. Every tear you cried watered the soil for something new to grow. Every season of loss was preparing you for a season of restoration. I, the Lord your God, am not a God who forgets. I am not a God who abandons. I do not walk away from the broken. I draw nearer. And now, I speak this over your life. I will restore what you lost. Yes, child, not just return, but restore better, fuller, deeper than before. What the enemy stole, I will return sevenfold. What you thought was over, I am reviving. What you thought was dead, I am resurrecting. Where people turned their backs, I will send divine connections. Where there was emptiness, I will pour abundance. Where you mourned, I will bring joy. Where you lost time, I will redeem your days. You have waited, and it was not in vain. You have trusted, and I will not fail you. Do not worry about how it will happen. That is my work. Your job is to believe, to stay close, to walk in faith even when the road looks dry. The ashes of your sorrow will become the soil for your testimony. Your wounds will become windows of my glory. Your story will carry power, and many will know that I, the Lord, still restore. Do not look back in despair. Look forward in expectation. I am not just the God of beginnings. I am the God of restoration. What you thought was the end was merely a pause. The chapter you feared to turn has been rewritten with grace. You are not forgotten. Your prayers are not in vain. I have kept every word you whispered in the dark. I have stored every silent sigh. Now I declare, the season of restoration has begun. You will laugh again. You will hope again. You will dance again. I am healing what was broken. I am mending what was torn. I am redeeming your years of struggle and planting favor where you once found rejection. Lift your head, my child. The restorer is here. I am here. I will restore what you lost. Believe it, receive it, walk in it with eternal love. Your heavenly Father.